cameras on my house, and I see all these young kids approaching their car, and they're parked in front of me. And to load up their trunk, they actually sit on my hood. Okay, and the camera I have in the car, the OwlCam, does not catch this, which is crazy. It should catch them coming towards the car, and it should catch them with their behind on my hood. Okay. What it does is it catches something, but it starts right about here, and I'll show you that video. Why doesn't it show them sitting on my hood? It really should. The OwlCam notices that something's going on, and when it creates its clip or its little segment in the history, it starts that segment too late. Your little segment in the OwlCam should start 20 to 30 seconds before. It should go into its buffer and start that segment 20 to 30 seconds before. Watch, I'm going to show you right now. And it needs to be fixed. This is really, really sad and depressing that it does not do this. Here we go. I'm going to find this thing. Happened about 11:30. It's right here. Okay. I would really like to start playing from there, but I can't. It jumps right to this point. It jumps. They're not sitting on my hood. Their trunk is closed, and they're just getting into the car. Why doesn't it show the previous 20 seconds? It really, really needs to. You guys need to adjust your software so then it takes an extra 20 seconds from the history and includes that within the clip. This happens to me every single time there's some kind of movement. Yes, your software is going to get them backing up and hitting my bumper. It's going to get that. But it doesn't get where the whole interaction with these people started. I want to see the direction of where they came from. I want to see if they came from this building that's right there or they came from the corner. And I'm sure you guys have the buffer. It's doing something, the camera. It's recording. The problem is it senses an interaction and then starts its recording at a certain point. But you need to start that point 30 seconds before. And that's it. Hopefully you guys can fix that. Because, I'm going to renew every year. But if somebody comes out with a competing product that captures more data, I'm going to buy their camera. And I'm not going to renew with you guys that particular time in the future. Okay, have a good night. Bye-bye.